Hi everyone! Today's topic is calculation rules together with factorization, which really matters later. Okay, let's get started. Long ago, people made multiplication sign to express multiple addition short. People named this 3 a factor of 4 times 3. And 4 can also be a factor of 4 times 3. Rule 1. The exchange rule. 4 times 3 is 3 times 4. Every multiplied number can be a factor and a number of factors. To express the sum, I'll use this notation in this video. Like this. Call this vertical sum. The plus sign is omitted. Next example. Brackets indicate where to calculate first. There are 5 4s, so you can distribute them this way. What about this? There are only 2 4s. Later, different. Then people started to remove the brackets for products to shorten expressions, while remaining the brackets for sums. To prevent these expressions from getting the same, it is Rule 2, times first rule. If there is no brackets, multiplications first. Rule 3. You can remove the brackets for plus, distributing times 4. People named this change expansion, and this factorization. When you factor an expression, always imagine this. Next example. These products have a common factor. Imagine how many factors are. And factorize it. It sometimes makes the calculations easier. How about this vertical sum? Leaving the common factor, add the uncommon factors. How about this? There is a hidden 1 times. It is 1000 times 7. Next example. The common factor 7 and the sum of the uncommons. Once again, the common factor 6 and the sum of the uncommons. Next example. They have common factor 7. Then divide them by 7, as if reducing the ratio. We can use it also for fractions. We will do this practice in video 7. Next rule. You can also factorize subtractions. 7 is the common factor. 2 of them are taken away. In this subtraction, you can take the common factor 8 from this expression. What about this? The common factor is 14. The subtraction of the uncommon factors. How about this vertical notation? The common factor remains. The subtraction of the uncommons. How about this? The common factor is 12. The subtraction of the uncommons. Okay, let's move on to the drill. This video continues in video 4, negative number. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye. またね。